What if I told you the next 5 years could define the next 50 of your financial future? And all it takes is choosing one path. In 2025, the line between wild opportunity and painful regret is thinner than ever. One option promises moonshots, the other, legacy. But which one should you trust with your future? And no, the answer isn't, I'll just leave my money in a savings account. That's not investing. That's letting inflation quietly erase your hard work. Stick around, because I'm going to break down everything you need to know. Risk, reward, mindset, and momentum, so you can make the smartest financial move of your life. Let's start with the story. One system is steady, proven, and backed by the biggest businesses on earth. For over a century, it's helped regular people build serious wealth through patience and compounding. The other is the rebellious outsider. It's fast, it's loud, it's rewriting the rules with technology, decentralization, and belief in a better future. One is like a slow-burning fire, predictable and strong. The other, a firework, thrilling, unstable, explosive. One relies on earnings, real-world products, and structure. The other moves on momentum, innovation, and global sentiment. So the question isn't just, where should I put my money? It's, what kind of risk and future am I willing to live with? Now, let's be real. This isn't for the faint of heart. Some options can skyrocket 200%, then crash the next week. Can you handle that kind of emotional roller coaster? Because your mindset is just as important as your money. The other option offers more guardrails. You've got history, structure, and reliable averages. But that also means slower gains and fewer thrills. Here's a pattern interrupt for you. Investing in one is like dating someone on a motorcycle with no last name. The other shows up early and brings you lunch. Both are accessible. With just $1, you can get started on any major app. The barriers are gone. Now it's about making a choice. But what you're actually buying? That's different. Some assets give you ownership, voting rights, and dividends. Others give you access to a network, a community, or an idea. Sometimes even just hype. Ask yourself, do I know what I'm actually buying? Or am I chasing a dream? Now, let's talk growth. Some options give you 7 to 10% a year. Solid, steady, proven. Others have shown 10x returns in 6 months, but they've also left people broke overnight. In 2025, the game is changing. Technology is merging with finance. Institutional money is entering fast. You're no longer early, but you're not too late either. Time is still on your side, if you act. Here's something no one tells you. The smartest investors don't pick one. They combine both. Maybe 80% goes into long-term, proven growth. And 20%? That's your moonshot fund. That's where dreams get a shot, without risking your future. This isn't gambling. This is strategy. This is building wealth in the real world. So ask yourself again, not which asset should I choose, but who do I want to become? The disciplined builder, the high-risk taker, or the hybrid, smart, steady, and bold? Because your lifestyle, your freedom, peace, and power starts with what you choose to do this year, not someday, not later now. And remember, the worst investment is no investment at all. In our next video, I'll show you the top 3 mistakes young investors are still making in 2025 and how to avoid sabotaging your future before it even begins. So, stay focused, subscribe, and take full control of your financial story. This is where bold decisions build legendary lives. Let's grow.